Hey there, Lisa Hugo here, and in this video, I want to clear up some confusion that a lot of coaches and consultants and experts have when they're first starting out with their business. You might be wondering, do I need a website to get clients? Well, the answer is yes and no. Yes, because a website is great for showcasing your business, but it's not great for attracting and converting clients. When you first get started, that is your most important task, to get clients. No clients, no business. So what you really need to focus on first is building a funnel. Now, I know that might sound counterintuitive and maybe even a little bit overwhelming, especially if you're new to marketing and sales. But don't worry, I'm going to break everything down for you in a simple, straightforward way. And before we go on, if you think as an expert in your field, you don't need to know about marketing and sales, that is crazy. Every business needs marketing to get in front of the right audience, and every business needs sales. No sales, no business. So your ability to sell your products and services will come down to these two elements: marketing, sales. Today, we're going to talk about what a funnel is, why it's more effective than a website when it comes to getting clients, and how you can create a top-of-funnel strategy that grabs your audience's attention right from the start. Because trust me, if your top-of-funnel, your very first point of contact, isn't strong, the rest of your funnel will be irrelevant. All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a funnel? Well, a funnel is exactly as the title depicts. It looks like a funnel with a big opening at the top and a small opening at the bottom. It's an automated filtering system for your business, a series of steps that are designed to lead your potential clients towards a specific action, whether that's booking a call, signing up for your newsletter, or buying your course. Think of a funnel as a well-paved path guiding your audience to their desired outcome. Every step is clear, it's purposeful, and it makes it very easy for your potential clients to know exactly what they need to do next. Not like your website, where visitors can get lost in the maze of information. A funnel has one very clear direction. It's like having a guide for your audience that shows them the way and what they need to do to make a decision. But today, I want to go even deeper, and I want to break down the different stages of a funnel, the various types of funnels that you can use, and some key marketing terms that will help you to understand how to make these funnels work for you. Now, a funnel isn't just one step. It's a series of stages, and each stage has a unique purpose. We have the top of funnel, TOF. This is the awareness stage. This is where you attract your potential clients or visitors. And at this stage, you're making them aware of who you are and what you offer. And the key here is to grab their attention with clear, empathic, and authoritative communication. Now, ways that people would enter your funnel could be through social media, call-outs, through offering something for free, or using paid advertising strategies. I feel like this is the most important stage of a funnel, because if you can't capture the attention of your audience, the rest of your funnel is going to be obsolete. And if you're using paid ads, then you're going to be wasting your money. Now, the next step is the middle of funnel, the MOF. This is the consideration stage. At this stage, people already know now who you are, but they need a little bit more information to decide if they want to work with you. And this is where you nurture your leads by offering valuable content that speaks to their pain points and shows them all the benefits of working with you. This could be a webinar, could be a sales page, it could be a series of emails that offer value. And the next step is the bottom of funnel, the BOF, the decision stage. Now we're getting down to business. This is where your potential clients are all ready. They're ready to make a decision. You've built trust, you've demonstrated your expertise, and now it's time for them to take an action. Now here, you might offer a discovery call or a direct call to action to make a purchase. Now, after this stage, there is still a post-purchase stage. The funnel doesn't stop once a sale is made, or if somebody doesn't buy your product or service. It doesn't mean that's the end of the road. This is where you focus on retaining your clients or turning them into customers, repeat customers, or advocates for your business further down the track. You want to keep them engaged, offer hugely valuable content, and encourage them then to refer other people to you. So if this sounds interesting, or maybe even for you overwhelming, I have a free guide. The link is in the description below, where I break it all down and you can see it visually, and it's much easier perhaps to conceptualize. But let's talk about the different types of funnel. There isn't just one type of funnel. Depending on your business goals, you can use different types of funnels to guide potential clients through their journey. So I want to break down just a few of the most popular funnel types. The first one I'm going to talk about is the QR funnel. This type of funnel uses QR codes, as the name depicts, to guide people to a specific landing page or an offer. It's a great way to grab attention quickly, especially, let's say you're speaking at an event and you have the opportunity to offer something to the audience. You want to grab their email address. So you put a QR code on the screen leading to a page where you can offer something to them for free. And obviously you're going to capture their email address, and you can get a lot of new people coming onto your list when you're speaking at large events. Or if you've got a physical product, they can just scan the QR code and they're immediately taken to that next step in the funnel. It's like signing up for a free resource or scheduling a call with you. Okay, now we're going to move on to the BR funnel, the bridge funnel. A bridge funnel is designed to bridge, to connect the dots between what people know and what they need to know in order to make a purchase decision. Now, this usually involves a simple bridge page. It's got a video on it that introduces you. It offers context, explains why they need your product or service before then sending them to a main sales page. Okay. Almost lastly, two more. I want to talk about the webinar funnel. This is highly effective for coaches and consultants. It's a system I use all the time in my business. And the idea here is to attract leads by offering a free, high-value presentation that addresses a specific pain point. And then during this presentation or webinar, you build trust, you build authority, and at the end, you present an offer. Whether that's a course, a service, or a one-to-one coaching session, or, this is the next funnel, a book a call. This funnel is all about getting people on the phone with you. It starts with the webinar, which leads at the end of the webinar to a call to action to actually book a call. And then you follow up with a series of emails that will nurture them, lead them, encourage them to get that call booked in. Now, this is perfect if you're selling something high ticket, where you have to have a personal connection to convert clients and to build that level of trust. Now, I want to break down some key marketing terms before I finish up that are often thrown around if we're talking marketing and funnels. The first one is traffic. I've already mentioned this in this video today. And this refers to the people who are visiting your funnel, whether it's a landing page, a webinar registration page, or it's a blog post. Traffic can come from many different sources: social media, ads, even search engine. And then the next one is a lead. Now, this is someone who's shown interest in your offer. Usually they've given you their contact information in exchange for something like a lead magnet or a free webinar or an ebook. Then we have a prospect. Now, the prospect is a lead that has been nurtured and is more likely to take an action, maybe book a call with you or purchase your service. And then we've got conversions. A conversion is when a lead takes an action in your funnel, whether that is making the purchase, booking a call, or signing up for your webinar. And the goal of any funnel is to increase conversions. And lastly, we've got tracking and analytics. Tracking is critical to understand where your customers are coming in from and how effective your funnel is. So by using tracking codes, conversion codes, snippets on your pages, you can see exactly how many people are visiting your funnel, where they're dropping off, and how many are converting. Now, this information is so valuable so that you can then make data-driven decisions. You can optimize your funnel for better results. Now, I know we're diving in quite a bit here, and you might be thinking, Lisa, this sounds so complex. And as I said, if you would like a step-by-step guide to crafting your first funnel, I've got a free guide that you can download in the description. I promise you, when you have someone showing you how to do this step by step, it's actually quite simple to set it up. But if you try to go it alone, you might find yourself in a big mess and a broken funnel that doesn't even work at all. So I want to share a quick example of how this works in real life. Imagine you are a fitness coach looking to get more clients. The first thing you can do is offer a lead magnet, a free 7-day workout plan tailored for beginners. That lead magnet is going to be acquired via a landing page, and this is a simple page where visitors can sign up to receive this workout plan. It's got a strong headline, a call to action. Once they have signed up, you're going to start sending them an email. Start with a welcome email where you deliver the workout plan to them, and then you have a series of emails that offer value, offer tips, personal stories, and finally another one offering maybe a one-on-one coaching session. Now, you're going to need traffic to make this work. So for this, you could use Facebook ads targeting fitness enthusiasts. You could share engaging posts with call to actions on your social media, or you can drive traffic to your landing page through other sources as well. Now, all of this is outlined in the free guide in the description below, including tips to optimize, best practices, and common mistakes that people make so that you can avoid them when it's your turn. Okay, finally, creating a funnel might seem daunting at first because it's new, but it is an investment in yourself and in time to learn this that will pay off, bringing you closer to your potential clients in a structured, focused manner. It could skyrocket your ability to scale your business. From understanding what a funnel is, to how it differs from a website, to learning advanced techniques and seeing real-life examples, you now have a roadmap to follow, especially if you go get your guide in the description there below. So to wrap this video up, funnels are all about guiding your potential clients through a clear, strategic path to take an action. There are different types of funnels for different goals, and understanding the key terms and stages can make a world of difference in how you approach your marketing. Now, if you're feeling stuck or unsure about where to start, don't worry, because you're definitely not alone. Reach out to us. Let's have a conversation about how you can create a funnel that works for you and for your business. And if you want more marketing tips to get your business flying, then I recommend you go check out this video right here. So comment below if you found this valuable and helpful, and I'll see you soon.